Hi, I'm Tanya Wyatt, exercise, nutrition and lifestyle coach and published author. I'm also a health presenter. Do you feel like you're a completely different person to the one you've known all your life? Or maybe you are experiencing extreme sadness and depression. Do you feel like your brain is fuzzy, permanently fuzzy, or that maybe you have some sort of mental distortion? Or maybe you're just, you've lost control of your weight and your body shape. If this sounds like you, I'd really like to help you manage these issues. I'd like to educate you about the various aspects of the perimenopause and menopausal phases and how those impact on your nutrition needs. I'd also like to teach you about your body's unique food language. Because when you're able to understand that language, you're able to fuel yourself better, and you won't need the input of any expert into the future. I'd also like to help you take advantage of key fat burning tips to help you keep your weight at an ideal level permanently. And while we're doing all of this, you should be experiencing some unbelievable benefits at the same time. Things like losing the typical menopausal midriff fat, strengthening pelvic floor, which of course is a major problem for a lot of menopausal women, decreasing your risk of osteoporosis or osteopenia, ensuring ideal cholesterol levels, improving sleep quality, managing hot flushes, and also reducing anxiety and depression, as we've spoken about. And then also, I think most importantly, is cultivating a more positive mindset and a sense of self-value. So if you want to bring your life and body back into balance and experience mental clarity, physical strength, emotional stability, vibrant health, and create a lifestyle that supports your goals in a sustainable and easy way into the future, please feel free to give me a call or send me a text on the number below. You can also reach me on email, tanya@tanyawyatt.com. You could message me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, or you could get hold of me through my website, tanyawyatt.com. But send me a message, give me a call, let's have a chat about how I can help you achieve your most desired goals.